What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of JB Outdoors. The fishing out here is terrible today, so I thought I'd make a little video for my friends over at Tiny Boat Nation. The biggest question that I get is, how stable is your boat? I have a 12-foot Aerocraft V boat, and it is pretty stable. I've built these decks in it. I'm on the water, as you can see. I have a floor here that's built right in front of my seat, so stand up and you guys will see me walk out onto the deck. The biggest thing is, don't forget what you're doing. Obviously it is a little boat and it is pretty stable, but obviously you don't want to forget what you're doing. So I'm up here standing right up towards the nose. I leave a box right there. That's actually my tackle box. I have all my little dividers in it, so I'll get turned around. And I think the biggest thing that helps me is I relocated the battery, and I use quite a bit bigger battery than what most people use. This is a Caterpillar deep cycle battery. This is one of the smaller ones for the engines that I work on. And I don't step right in the middle of that door, basically just because, and I know a lot of you are going to give me shit about it, but this is OSB. It's something that I had laying around, and it's coated on the top with 3 coats of Kills. It's leftover scrap wood from a project that I had at home, but you know, when it rots out I'll redo it, so no big deal. And show you guys my setup. This is a 7.5 horse Mercury 2-stroke. I think it's from the 80s, and I use a 30-pound Minn Kota trolling motor. I think that's a 3-gallon gas can, a little 2 or 3 pound anchor, and I like using canoe paddles instead of oars because they're a lot smaller and not so cumbersome. This is a Garmin Stretcher 4. This is my portable package. Instead of getting just the unit itself, which you can buy for around $99. Sometimes you can find it on sale as well. I didn't want to mount this anywhere because I use this for ice fishing too, hence the little foam thing right there. But right now I use this is a really cool little thing that this kit came with, was a suction cup that you can put right to the side of the boat. And then I take it off the boat, put it away, and I can use it on other boats and stuff. So I really like that. It's called the portable package. Came with a case and everything, and a little 7-amp-hour battery. So that's pretty sweet. For moving the boat, I usually will bungee cord. I usually bring out 4 rods with me at a time, and I'll bungee cord across these hinges here. So again, pretty stable. I don't have a problem with it, and I'm actually pretty top heavy. Like most people that drink beer, I got a gut on me, so it's not bad. And actually 2 people can fish out of this pretty comfortably. Another guy my size usually sits up front there. Sometimes I put a seat up front for whoever wants to sit, with a 6-inch pedestal, so he sits up just quite a little bit more. So again, I'm Justin with JB Outdoors. Spend more time outdoors, and I'm going to start posting more videos to Facebook instead of YouTube. But don't forget to head over to YouTube and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. So catch you guys on the next video.